Hello everybody, welcome to this video. This is my Flare3d tutorial series. In this video I am going to discuss about the basics of Flare3d. If you don't have Flare3d, you can download it, link is in the description. Flare3d version 2.7.1 is best for Wrestling Evolution 3D, or in short WR3D. So after you open your Flare3d, you should get something like this in front of your screen. Here is our 3D world or scene. You can see some panels here and you can find an animation timeline here. This represents the animation status. Okay, now if you want to rotate your view, you can use your secondary right mouse button. And if you want to pan your view, just hold your spacebar and a hand cursor pointer will appear. Then you can easily pan your view with left mouse button. Now look at the panels. First we get the properties panel. This gives us the ability to edit the properties of particular objects or mesh. You can also change the world background color actually from the scene properties. Like this, gray is better. Beside properties panel we can see a panel named hierarchy, which keeps the list of all the objects or meshes you create in your scene. Beneath it we can see a materials panel. You can edit materials from here. These are most used panels that come with default workspace. But there's another important panel called library, which visually shows the textures and materials. To bring that panel, go to Window and enable the library panel from this drop down list. Or you can simply use Ctrl+L. Here it is. But working would be so uneasy with a floating panel. So let's take the library panel beside the properties panel. To do this, just click and hold your panel's name and drag and drop it where you like it to be. Now let's create a simple object. To create objects or mesh, click the create option and here are some default meshes to create. I'm creating a simple cube. Now if you want to move this mesh, we need to enable the move tool from here. Then we can move the mesh by dragging each arrow. Or you can use transform properties from properties panel. To rotate mesh, you need to enable rotating tool from here, then you can rotate it. So simple. And if you want to scale, select the scaling tool and then you can scale it by each axis. But if you want to make anything small and big, then you need to take your mouse cursor at the center of the arrows. Now drag down or upward to make it smaller and bigger. Now let's see how you can import any Flare3d files. To do this, go to the file and choose import or click Ctrl+I. Then choose your file. Like this. You can open any file from your file explorer, or you can drag and drop the file to your screen, and Ctrl+S will save your project. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you like my works.